Hi guys, this is Patty. Welcome to my kitchen. I am going to make a very different pound cake today. It is a banana cream cheese pound cake, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that I will be using. This is the Swan's cake flour, 3 cups, and it will be sifted. And I will put in a half teaspoon of baking powder, a fourth teaspoon of salt, and I will mix that with the cake flour so it can be sifted. This is the banana cream filling that I'll be using. I will use a teaspoon of banana extract and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, 3 sticks of pure unsalted butter, 1 pack of cream cheese. This is the pan that I'm using to bake it in. I will use Baker's Joy to put in the pan. And I'm going to use this mixer, the hand mixer today. I'm not going to use the stand mixer. This is my mixing bowl and spatula. I have everything here that I need to put this cake together. First, I will be creaming the butter and the cream cheese. I will do that first, and then I will add my eggs one at a time after I put in my sugar. And then we'll come right back.